So, I'll speak in Karbi first.
Okay, no problem.
Pini Arnigang Samapor Tong Sukot Pen Itum Lata Karbi Lo Charlie Akorti Lapan Injir Tum Da Jakanang Lewine Delo Lockdown na join ni Lasi Pini Tum Da Kati Tong Nang Kokdak Greater Guwahati Karbi Student Association Office Kam Boys Hostel Dakali Tum Tong Nang Kokala Hello Atumi Hedjong Ilitum Kaching Hon Injir Bet Sumila Ronghangpi Alang li Aphn dam nang juila Alang li Aphn ke dam nang juya bangke ilitum kadu ko beta social media long pensi thekdun long chotlo ilitum kachinia tank lo dangte alang li hem lake Dwaramla constituency long lapen Dwaramla constituency west kar biang long bhoksong malom se alang li hem busini tum chini pon lo lapen pini haladak nilitum humri dam lo Ggksa lapen kapreka KSA tum tadu lapen nili mata hadak dun lo amri student union atum tadu latum la menang dun sedan itum humri dam pen hadak police station mate outpost roha outpost long pen tum report ke long ateng ke lahin lo alang lipan atumi si pachi lo amat FIR bang ka atumi pidat lo lapen FIR copy ni wan lo lahin lo ho FIR copy lo la so FIR copy long bangke case number ke 97/2021 date 22/4/2020 lapen section bangke 120B/302 IPC la sinang tum kadu wetala so bang bit kame nang tum Ggksa office long tala so report bit kame la sining du kolam bang la henlo alang li du work of family lapen alang li tumarong lidu Sumila Ronghangpi alang lung tumarong ke ka Charlie thai bang kimisen ka via jok kimisen avia jok si alang li nogong mate roha dungrai ki bang bangke alang li ka Charlie longje phan to pursue her studies la suphan se alang ke bang sitame claim kam claim ke dam bensi la Prokas Kumar Bor Thakur alang li hemsi dodun lo alang li inut retired Benglong employee lasi alang li tum hem dodun lo ningkan thi bak dolo dodun pusintum sini pon a family tum pen ke lasi la dodun pen atumi bangke alang li Aphn dam jilo lasi la bangke tum ning duno pikhangjang lo la pen kunane Aphn eli tum arjulong ke kunane sa bagan haju to ko wanne habit aju sila son ke chapachi bukar jilong long sitame atumi arnia bangke la ke in the heart of Nogong town along pule puda tamela roha long si highway national highway adung have just 50-meter distance from the national highway daksi lang lipan me kai chok lo bang aku lasi koson penne ke phok koson penne ke pachi ke tem bang ke lakan itum pupe sta it is suspected to be murder broad daylight murder lo lasi murder lo lasi labang ke postmortem report ateng ben siltum arona teng pen iltum se fight dunang popusin itum chonghong bom lo lasi pinigadak magistrate ado lapen police atum tadolo alang litum insurance bilo within 1 week time fast track along a case one popusi pulo lasi fast track along one loplo tang tela so official itum capital punishment phan bangke iltum demand dunang po lapen justice hang dunang populo lasi nilihin lan seling jelo so it is a very inhuman act that happened yesterday in Roha, just near the national highway itself only, Roha police near under Roha police station. So one of our Karbi girl named Sumila Ronghangpi, she is from Dwaramla constituency. She was in Roha at Prokas Kumar Bor Thakur house, who was a retired bank employee, and then she was there to study to pursue her studies actually. Her age is just only I think 12 years of age, so she was there for last 4 years, but yesterday she was brutally murdered in front of the you know, it was a daylight, so it was murdered, and then today this is Roha police outpost. We have visited the outpost, and then from that we got a report that the post-mortem has been done and her body was now sent to her village. So, as per the assurance from the magistrate and the police in charge, within 1 week time, they will put the case into the fast track, so that the victim family could get justice. So, on behalf, in her name, in memory, we will have a candlelight for her. So, before that, we have a friend, he is a Dr. Mohanto. So, if you would like to speak something on this incident,
Thank you, Mr. Bikram, just like my younger brother. It is a heart-touching incident for us, because a girl which is coming from a very economically backward family, and her aim to pursue her study at the exchange of doing some household work. But what was the incident? It is a very difficult situation for us to express. I think the police authority and concerned authority will find out the reason behind the death of our beloved Sumila Ronghangpi, coming from a very interior village of West Karbi Anglan. And it is a, what to say, inhuman things are going on. And the police authority and the concerned authority should have a strict vigilance and find out the reason behind the incident and find out the culprit who is responsible for her death. So I think today we are here to memorize her life by condolencing a moment, tributing him a candlelight for us. Hope her soul rest in peace, and we all together appeal to the authority for speedy find out the reason and let the people, those are responsible for her death, come to the path. So this is my what's called, it is my inner feeling, and I am giving, and here with together of all of you, the student of this hostel, hope our condolence message will go to the people, and all the people should have a condolence for her death and pray her life that her soul will be rest in peace. Thank you.